Hello friends, welcome to Talent Hub Training Institute's official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn how to install Python and PyCharm. First open your Chrome browser and type download Python and it will redirect you to python.org. Click on the download Python link. Then click on the download Python 3.12.0 option. Then open the downloaded file and click run to start the installation process. Then click the Install Now option. Then in Chrome, search for Pycharm download. Scroll down and download the Pycharm Community Edition that is free to use for all users. Then click on the downloaded file and click Run to start the installation process. Then click Next. Click Next again. Select the three necessary checkboxes and click Next to continue. Then select the JetBrains option and click Install. Then select the second option, I want to manually reboot Latith, and click the Finish button. Then from your PC click on the PyCharm shortcut key. Then check the user agreement and click Continue. In the Pycharm, select the New Project option. Then click on the Create button. Then click on the project drop-down and select the project files. It will help you to open the main.py. Then in the main.py write print hi viewer. Then from the run option select the debug main and click the Allow Access button. Thank you for watching. Hope this video will help you to complete your task.